last forever, ever, hold on, never mind. Oh,
Hi, my lovely Cancers. How are you guys doing? I welcome you to Soul Tarot. So, I'm back again doing your reading for the upcoming week for August 2021. So, whichever part of the world you're in, whenever you see this, the title attracts you, there's always something in this reading for you, okay? All my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look and do like and subscribe to the channel. That would be nice. Let's see, what do we need to see for my Cancers, my message be ready for their highest good. If the shuffling bothers you, you can please put it on mute or you can skip and go to reading. What do we need to see for my Cancers? Okay, something was weighing you down, but it seems okay now. Let's see what Kana has to say. What do we need to see for my Cancers? This is for my Cancer. This is a general love career reading, whichever dynamic this resonates, okay? Keep that in mind. It's a general reading. So there are too many, I can't have these. Specific, please, the core energy. So we have the Queen of Cups, Cancer, Pisces energy, Page of Pentacles, Earth energy. You're in your feels right now, big time, and I think it's a lot to do with your emotional state and how you need to strike that balance, because something has turned out or is turning out to be clear to you in time, in day, hands down. Because when I really see judgment and I see somebody in the fields, it just goes on to say that there is some kind of awakening you've had, there's some kind of rejuvenation that you feel, there's some kind of promotion that maybe is coming your way in whichever form, right? Improvements, could be a rebound of somebody you've been in touch with is coming back to you, like a Page of Pentacles. Possibly you could be dealing with an earth sign, could be a Libra. So someone is really speculating and someone is really in the field. So this is like, okay, let's see what lies ahead. Ace of Pentacles, Earth energy, strong Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Maybe you're dealing with one, so somebody is really contemplating coming back to you, and I feel that you already know it. You already know it, Cancers, in your gut, but they're advising you here to, with the Temperance, Sagittarius energy, to keep it easy. Okay, do not give in. They're saying, and they're like angelic wings. So maybe the person you're thinking about, or if this is resonating in the relationship segment, whichever way you may take it, is very angelic as well, or they find you very angelic, and with the wings here, etc. So the idea is that they basically could be like a soul vibe too, where they bring out the light in you or the dark in you, so you guys kind of balance each other. But yeah, it's like something has just turned very real to you, like something has just come around like an epiphany. Ooh, this is what it is. With the King of Wands here, this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. We are in the Leo season going forward, right? This is about that strength. This is about that valor. This is about that, I think, velocity. They're giving me a word, velocity, somehow. And ideally, kings are like no nonsense. They know what they want. They're very noble. They're leaders. They've got all the skill sets. They know how they can captivate the environment around them. They're that magnifying, and some of you definitely have a choice here. You could be dealing with a younger earth sign or a younger earth sign, essentially, or maybe like a younger Sag, I don't know. So there is definitely something which is coming back to you, my Cancers. And when I say that, why I say that, because I see it so clearly that this is also about the activities or the projects that you want to take up. They're going to turn out well, they're going to be to the level of your satisfaction because you're positive thinking now. You've come out of that stuck zone, maybe like you were in the Piscean energy, hangman energy. Now you're out of that space, and that has kind of given you the strength of the same of the King of Wands, that you know what, I can do this and I can make it happen. It's just that I need to align myself, I need to align my mind and my heart, to actually see things more clearly. And you free from your worries because you were thinking too much, you were too much in your head, with the same, and too much into your fields also, taking and worrying about things that you shouldn't have worried so much about, I feel, with some. And of course it will not resonate with everybody, but with those it does, it definitely is in that regard. So this definitely revolves around a relationship in your life which is definitely coming around, and you have kind of an idea as to what this is. And in regard to your career, I think it's about success, it's about starting new and knowing that you can do it and not doubting yourself. So ultimately you will receive what you really asking for and asking about, because this reading to me here really talks sheer success, sheer faith, it talks sheer bliss. And there's I don't think there's anything else that possibly can be added, because at the bottom of the deck I only see justice. So when we see justice, it's again Libra, it's again about the virtues, it's about balancing, it's about equality, it's about everything right in place happening for you in divine time and in divine order. So it's just like a perfect reading for you with inspiration all around you, and amazing reading, Cancers, going forward. Upcoming August seems fantastic for you, and I just send you so much of love and so much of light. God bless you.